You may have heard the term insurance preferred shop or DRP. What does that really mean? Mike, can you tell us a little more?
So you've just wrecked your vehicle and you contact your insurance carrier and you go to file a claim. And the first thing they're going to ask you is, do you have a shop in mind? Now, listen, as a consumer, you have freedom of choice to take your vehicle wherever you want to get it fixed. But if you tell them you do not have a shop in mind, then they're probably going to ask you next, would you like us to refer you to one of our DRP shops? So, what does DRP stand for? It stands for Direct Repair Program. Again, DRP. Direct Repair Program. This is basically a shop, a collision repair facility that is on an insurance approved list. Now, how do they end up on that insurance approved list? It's because they have basically told that insurance company, look, I'm willing to make concessions and give you some discounts in order for you to refer work to me. So that's how they kind of end up on that list. So at the end of the day, DRP stands for Direct Repair Program. It's just basically a shop that has agreed to certain things with the insurance company in exchange for referral business. However, remember, whether it's a DRP or non DRP shop, it's still your choice, and you still need to ask the right questions like what type of parts are you going to put on my vehicle and who has the final say so? Or what type of warranty do I get on this and who actually stands behind the warranty? So there you have it, DRP, Direct Repair Program.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.